Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to introduce you to ClickFunnels Funnel Hacks, a great new system for getting more sales, managing your emails, managing affiliates, email addresses, sending out email broadcasts, even though I don't like that term, getting more people interacting with you, landing them on your page, your funnel, starting a funnel. You know a lot about funnels. And that everything's a funnel these days, or scrapping your website if you want to, and diving in and getting more leads, getting more sales, and doing 10 times more revenue this year. Now, I use ClickFunnels. You can see my website. You'll see any of my landing pages. If you was those CRMs, the most popular one, I get like 10 or 15 signups a day off just this page alone for some free training, and that obviously adds people to an email list where I can manage, I can move them around, I can say this is what I recommend, or I can automate sequences to give these people better information and then move them forward up sort of a sales funnel to more higher end premium sales, and getting the most out of them for their business. So you'll see, if you see the corner, every page you probably come to on my website is ClickFunnels. You're going to get everything you need in ClickFunnels to run your front-end business. And just looking at this part of it, it looks like they're going to be coming out of a new CRM and a new membership site. So this is online sales. This is managing your email address. This is managing your affiliates. Look, so you want people, if you're selling online products, you want to say to people like me, Paul, we give you 40% commission, 20% commission, 10% commission for anything that you recommend where people you send them to us, and we will give you affiliate commission, right? That's what I make lots of my money off online. So why am I doing this video? I'm about to do the ClickFunnels full introduction for 2019, and I wanted to do this video first because you can sign up for ClickFunnels. It's $100 a month for the first tier, the basic plan, or it's $300 a month for the full shebang, everything you need. That's the tier I'm on. But there's a funnel hack system option, which I think is a great deal, but I'm gonna add some value to it as well, just so you get the most out of it. So firstly, if you sign up via the Funnel Hacks link, so if you go to pnuk.co Funnel Hacks, I'll put a link, you'll come to this page. This is my affiliate page. You won't have it pre-filled in like this. You need to just set up an account. If you've already got an account, you can log in. What you're going to get with Funnel Hacks, the Funnel Hacks system, and certainly via my affiliate link, is the first thing here is 6 months of the Nicholson suite account to ClickFunnels. This is the account I'm on. It's $297 a month. So for 6 months, you're going to get it. So I've got my calculator open here. So 297 times, I'm rubbish with calculators. 297 times 6. What did I press then? 297 times 6. Oh man, 1,782 value, right? But if you were to pay it, so straight away the value is obviously 1,782. It tells me right there. I'm just saying that if you pay the level of this part alone, it's going to cost you 1,782. So what you're doing with this whole package is paying for, you're going to get all these products for 6 months under one price, right? So you're going to get the full Nicholson suite for 1,782. You're going to get a 6-week funnel hack masterclass where it teaches you everything about funnels, everything about the different types of funnels, everything about getting people's emails to the best ways of converting them to sales. Everything you need to know about online marketing, really. That's worth $3,000. Instant traffic hacks. How to get more people to your website. How to get more people to your funnels. How to get more people coming to your website, basically. How to get more traffic, right? It's worth $2,000. Inception secrets. Breaking down each of the types of funnels and giving you exactly the script of write this, click this, do this, say this, and get exactly what you need. So there's 9 different types of funnels from what off the top of my head, and Russell explains every single one. And then the soap opera, the soap and Seinfeld email sequences. This is all about Russell's tested these email sequences where one's like the soap opera is a bit of a drama sequence where it's a sequence of emails where it's all dramatic and you're going to make more money, you're going to do if you do this. And then the Seinfeld email sequence is like Seinfeld, something where nothing happens, where you're emailing people every day and getting, you're almost giving them, I wouldn't say bland information, but no information, just telling them something about your normal day. But it's a sequence that keeps them involved, that helps them interact with you, to get to know you, and then when it comes up to it, they'll pay more for you. So I can show you how to do that as well in my training. So basically, if we add all those up, 1782 is the 6-month Nicholson. So you're getting 6 months of funnel hacks. So you've got 6 months to work this out, right? Plus the 2997. Plus 1997. Did I click plus then? Tell me I did. Plus another 1997. Plus a 997. You're getting $9,770 worth of value, all in this one sign up. Right. On top of that, I'm going to add my training. So if you come to my website, you'll see I use ClickFunnels. I've also got a sales forum. I'll just use that login where if you submit, you can access my sales forum, which is all ClickFunnels training. It's everything you need to know about ClickFunnels in a forum. What also we're going to have is a dedicated, in fact, my website's it might be down at the minute actually, which is not great for this value, but I'm not sure I think there's something wrong with the, I would say my internet. Oh, there we go. It's all right. I'm gonna have a dedicated training area where everything's laid out for you, exactly how to do stuff. Exactly. If you're on any of my other training courses, you'll see step by step how to do it, and you can tick lesson completed, and you can ask questions. We're gonna have a dedicated training course training section private for you. So the forum's public. People can join in and sign up, but we're going to have a dedicated private forum and we're going to have a dedicated private Facebook group just for you guys who sign up via my link. So that's 9,770 in it. So I'm going to say my training is $330. The value of it is going to be, I think it's going to be worth 5,000, but I'm just going to say it's $330, right? So 230, let's say 330. So you're going to get $10,000 worth of value out of this sign up, and the sign up price for this funnel hacks is $997. So if you sign up here, if you sign in here, enter a email funnel hacks, and they all come to the same. What's this? Yes, I have a password theory. Mobile phone number. I don't really want to. Oh, it's all right. Create your account, right? So it's gonna say. I wanted to just get to this next step to show you. The whole thing is 9,770 plus my training. I'll know when you've signed up for this. Plus my training, my forum, my Facebook group, everything's included. So you're going to get over $10,000 worth of value for $997. You also, there, look, and I've tested this, there's a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. If you sign up and you're not happy, you've got 30 days to get your money back. So that's quite a long time when you start doing all this training and you can look into it. If you're saying this is not for me, you've got 30 days where you can ask for your money back. ClickFunnels, Russell, Brunson, they're a great team. They'll give you your money back, but you'll get everything you need. So you're getting, let's go over it again, you're getting 6 months. You're getting 6 months for $1,000 here to do everything you need to do in ClickFunnels to work out before you start paying. After the 6 months, it's going to be $300 a month, right? But you're going to be so far ahead in 6 months with all this knowledge that you've got. I'm just saying, you're just gonna have so much information, and you're gonna get the exact information that you need via Russell. So this is again, ClickFunnels for 6 months, Funnel Hacks Masterclass, Instant Traffic Hacks, Inception Secrets, email sequencing. You're gonna get taught everything via Russell, via the expert on all this, how to do it, and then the technical aspect of it. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to make sure that you don't get stuck with any small part of the technical part. I'll show you exactly on my videos, exactly how to do something. Click here, click there. I've got the full platform like you. I'm going to show you exactly what to click and how to do it. And then we're going to get some experts involved as well. Some sales experts that are going to help you out with your funnels. But all I'm saying is, because I'm about to do my introduction to it, so I wanted to do a full introduction to ClickFunnels and then send people to this video. So I've recorded them the wrong way around. But what we're basically talking here is $10,000 worth of value. And it's going to be even more than that when your company's making so much money out of this. For $997, it's a 6 month, no contracts, 6 months, full access to ClickFunnels. Get everything you need out of it in that 6 months. Really let this year fly for you. Add me to the mix in helping you out and getting you flying as well. And we are all winning, right? I get some change for getting you to sign up. I get a cut of everything you pay to Funnel Hacks. That's why to ClickFunnels, which is why I can promote this, and you can add me for nothing. So that's my sign up email saying someone's just signed up. So dive in, sign up for 30 days, or ask me. Come to my website, Paul Nicholson. If you're not sure about it, come and ask me more questions. The help button here, look. Just submit a ticket or contact me up here. Just send me a message. I will help you out. I'll answer any questions you've got. But this is a great deal. I don't often promote deals like this, but you are getting everything you need here for $1,000, and it's 6 months. It's 6 months for $1,000. So let's say it's $200 a month, but you're getting insane value, which you can't find this. You can't find this deal without really delving in. It's not something that's promoted a lot. So any questions? Ask them if you're watching on YouTube. Come to me. Submit a ticket. But don't get stuck this year. Let's get you online. Let's get leads created. Let's get people buying direct from you and making your company more revenue. And then you can do greater things in your company as well, can't you? Cheers, guys.